one, you see this one's a little different. We're lining back to back. We want you guys to see some hitting out there tonight. When that green flag goes, it's on right there. There are officials in there. We're getting the door ready to rock. They're all getting fired up. You guys ready for this main event? We appreciate you being so patient again. You ready to see some hitting? Don't let us down out there. You hear the crowd. We want to see some hitting tonight. All right, wait for that door. We hear those mufflers flaring up. Waiting for that green flag up. Time. 22 right on the back on 3. This is up. I think it might have a little bit more time to the heavy part of the beginning. And I told you those bands will be high. If you want to come to them, right to the left, to the center. And the ability in that lower part might have to bend for the lower part. Looks like we got that other passport over there. That's sitting there. Right to the green, working that corner a little bit. Those 5 straight shots are going to get it. That's 2. Hey, stuck out that middle. Stuck it. Here's the lights popping. You'll see on these stock cars, we do gotta remove the bumpers that fall off, because if they go underneath the car, we don't want them popping up and hitting a driver's leg or hurting a driver. So we do have to stop for the bumpers to get pulled off or any big material, and then we'll get rolling right away, because these cars are hot. So as soon as we're clear, green flag up. Give it those 7 seconds, come on out. I thought it was steaming inside a little hot. Give it up for 07. All right, flags up. Rock and roll, rock and roll. Let's get big. Lighting and Queen still working this corner. Haley's still going in that corner, trying to get out of it. There you go, that's actually going to help her to pinch her out. She can move forward now. So that helps Haley out there. get a reset of the clock. 08 was down for 5 minutes, so it is not fair that he gets to go with this car not hot. So she goes out there, she's telling him that he is done. He's going to move over to the side. Break his stick. You do see the sticks up. They are breaking them off once they do get timed out, but they do have to look over. It is an unfair advantage if they are sitting there. We want them to hit for you and to ride hard out there. So 08 is breaking his stick. And we're green. We're go, 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 go. We've still got a lot of cars left running out there. We got the passport that looks like he's still in mid mode. Our two Hondas have died out, but our BMW and Mercedes is still going. And we got a couple of vans still rolling strong out there. And we got our first time who's going for Haley in the 07. She's doing a great job. It's her first time. Here comes that BMW coming across the arena. 22 is not happy with him hitting that driver's door. I don't think he saw him. Cars out of the turn. It does look like those Mercedes. We do got a red flag. We got a red flag. Red flag. Red flag. Number 8 just won't give up right now. Hold up, drivers. Hold up. Hold up. Does look like there was a small fire in the 03. These things do still have all the emissions on them. So it probably ain't running. Give it up for 03. Hitting hard out there. Our yellow passport in the limp mode. Get it done. He says if I ain't got full throttle, I'm getting out. Make sure the fire is out. As you know, these cars are getting hot, so we want to get out quick and get them back to going, but we want everyone to be safe, driving and not. If you are out of your cars, we need you to exit the arena. Hold on, drivers, hold up. Hold up. That's not a go. That's not a go. Hold up. Hey, DeWalt makes a pretty good air horn. Not a plug or nothing, but that's pretty dang good. Alright, let's get it out. I'll see no fire. Go a little bit more dust in there. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, our little general up there. Just going out there, you're going to see something right now. Telling him he's out. Then sit. Alright, if you are in your cars, make sure your helmets are still on. Here we go. Get all the officials off the track, all the drivers off the track. Alrighty, we're getting the signs up. Flags up. Green flag up. Go, 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 go. Haley out there, still doing a great job with that pink driver's car. We got a couple vans going. We still got the Mercedes and the BMW going out there. Got the trunk popped on the Mercedes. BMW going into the door. 22 still going in there in the black Lincoln. Coming in hard on that passenger side. And I got a soft spot for first time driver who's going for Haley out there. We got our 00 man. He's ran out of candy bars. He's pulled his stick. We got 5 still going strong in his van. 55 still going strong in his. We got the Mercedes still trying to roll and making hits. The BMW 55 coming into the 22 front. We got the 00 front man crunch. We got the BMW still knocking the front, still knocking that 22. We got them out there, they're down there using that now. I didn't think like this league did pull a stick. It does look like we are down to the top 5, maybe 6. 55's band over there. He is still rolling, but he does have a front flat. He's trying to pull out of that corner over there. 00, the blue van. He's our mystery van right now, or 0011. I hope those are eyes on the side of that van. Alright, we got our tomato man kind of creeping over there, trying to give hand signals to Haley. He does have a front flat too, but that actually might help him if that tire doesn't come off that rim. It might give him a little extra. Do we still got them German cars going? We got a BMW and a Mercedes still going. And we got Haley still going. With the 0011. 55 still trying to go out there, trying to move. I think he might have 2 flats, but he can still move. It's still a go. That Mercedes rear-wheel drive, having a little steering issue, but he's keeping it going. That's the nice thing about being slick out there. He's still using it. We got Van Amsterdam Love. Haley coming in, trying to pop that tire. 55's getting a little pissed off in his car. He can't move. He's on the time limit. BMW's trying to clear off his windshield so he can see a little bit, I'm thinking. Got the 5 van still trying to roll. Haley's out there, mixing it up. The Mercedes still bumping to keep his time going. 5 got his van going, doesn't look like he's rolling. And that means BMW's out too, he's good. He's still on time, he's smoking those rear tires. Two vans, 2 sedans, and 2 Mercedes and a BMW. Haley trying to move around. She might have steering issues, but she still keeps moving. She's making her hits. BMW just got another qualifying hit on the Mercedes. Haley coming into the corner there. 0011 still moving strong out there in the blue van. That 5 van's got a bumper hanging on the front. Someone's going to try to take advantage of that. And it looks like he's got a spare tire hanging out the back. Oh, he might be getting that 00 in that corner. Here he comes. He's trying to get that. Oh, Haley's bumper's dragging too. That might be not helping her turn. It doesn't look like she might have the front flat. And BMW says, I'm not done. I'm not done. Comes in with a hit. It does look like we are down to the final 4. BMW clearing his windshield off again so he can see. If he had sprayers in there, I'd be impressed. We've seen Haley with the wheels turned from up and down, but she's still going. We got the blue van coming for his qualifying hit, and he gets it. Everybody's still on the time limit, going strong. start seeing the blue smoke, that usually means that those motors are getting hot. And they're 4 6 cylinders. That Dodge van, or that blue van, looks pretty dang good though still. Haley looks like she's running pretty strong. Just got that bumper dragging a little bit, but I think she's still moving. BMW looks like it's running smashed into the field, but you might get a little bit of a push right there by the blue van. Oh, now we got to slow down. Haley's coming in. Tapping on that. Tapping on that. Haley's first time out there. Give it up for Haley. Regardless, she's making the top 3. 0011 still trying to make his car move. We got the 5 van trying to go hand signals, trying to tell Haley to go after the van. BMW is on the time limit now. 5 is out, so we are down to the top 3. BMW is on the last 10 seconds. Officially down to the top 2. Who's pulling for Haley? He's got the mystery man. Oh, Sox 11 been driving pretty good. Nope, all right, I'm pulling for Haley too. Come on, Haley. We got a mirror dragging on Haley, but her car's still running. He's trying to find reverse. Oh, she's got it. She puts that tap on it. Oh, that blue van's stalling out. Haley bringing it. You got it. Come on, we got you. Come on, Haley. Fires up for a second, some fire that stalls out. Oh man, Haley's got them hits. Well, are you? Haley says, get out of the way, Mercedes. I got some hitting to do. She takes that hit. You're trying to back up. Let's give it up for Haley. First time. $3,000 on the line. Oh, 0011 fires up and dies again. He's still on a time limit. Haley's gone. She's trying to line up that last shot. Haley said, hey, he don't care about crowd favorites. He wants to go. Haley said, you ain't leaving. I'm chasing you. There he goes again. Haley's keeping his running, doing great. Come on, Haley! Oh, she had a good lineup shot. She said she's going for it.